Well, hey there, my name is Alona and you're at my channel. Here we study English, and this video is going to be a short grammar note about the structure used to. Today we're going to talk about it, and if you wonder how to use it and when to use it, keep watching the video. So we use the structure used to when we talk about past habits or some repeated actions in the past which we don't have anymore in present. For instance, when I was a child, we used to go to the village every summer. I'm not a child anymore, and we don't go to the village for the whole summer period. We occasionally visit our cottage. You may make the negative sentence as well. For example, I didn't used to go to gym. Does it mean I go to gym right now or no? Right, so it means right now I go to the gym. So if we talk about the structure, first of all we have a subject, then used to, plus verb 0. And by the way, it doesn't matter are you with a he, she, it, used to is the same for all persons in English. Be careful with the pronunciation. We say used to, I used to go, I used to go. To create the negative, you just need to add the auxiliary. I didn't use to plus verb 0. Be careful, no D, just like a regular past simple tense. I didn't used to go. The pronunciation is the same as with the positive, used to, because in English, if the last letter is t or d in a word, and the next starts with t or d, you usually combine and pronounce them together. Used to. Listen again. Used to. Now listen to the example and repeat after the speaker.
I used to love to go camping. I used to love to go camping.
To create the question, we just need question word if we need, did, subject, use, to, plus verb 0. For example, did you used to go to the village when you were a child? Or what did you used to do when you were a child? Write in the comments below, what about you? What did you used to do when you were a child? Well, and now let's look at some peculiarities of using this used to. First of all, used to versus past simple. If we talk about actions that were only once, you only use past simple. If we talk about repeated actions in the past or past habits, you can use used to or past simple. For instance, we used to go to the village, or we went to the village when I was a child. However, if you say last weekend we went to the village, it means it was only once and you can't use the structure used to. And one more tip. You should remember that in English we have only one negotiation, one no. So if you say I didn't used to go to the village, it's the same as I never used to go to the village. Be careful, I didn't use to go, or I never used to go. And there is one more word which you can use instead of used to. It's would. You may say, I would go to the village every summer when I was a child, or I'd go. However, there is a difference. You don't use would with stative verbs. If you don't remember what the stative verbs are, watch my video somewhere over here. Just a quick reminder, we don't use the stative verbs in continuous tenses in English, and they show some state. For instance, be, know, have, etc. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to write in the comments below what you used to do when you were a child. I'm waiting for your answers, and see you next time in my next video. Have a nice day!